Okay, so I was doing it right. It threw me off because the answer to the rock concert was 1, and it just threw me off. So never mind, sometimes that's the answer. So we have a rock concert here, and we're going to do the quiet radio here. Okay, so using our formula as given, B is equal to 10 log of, we know our log of I plus 12. For the rock concert, our decibels is actually 120, so we'll just put that right in. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the 10 out of both sides. So I'll get 12 is equal to log I plus 12. And then I'm going to move the 12 over by subtracting it from both sides, right? So I'm going to minus 12 and minus 12. And I will get 0 equals log I. Now remember, this is base 10. So this means that 10 to the 0 equals I. So that means that I equals 1. Okay, so we're going to hold that till later. We'll use that later. Now we're going to do quiet radio. And for quiet radio, it's 4 decibels is equal to 10 log I plus 12. So we'll divide 10 out of both sides. We'll get 4 here, and we'll get log I plus 12. Now I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. And I will get negative 8 equals log of I. Remember, it's base 10. So this means 10 to the negative 8 equals I. So I equals, well, I can leave it as 10 to the negative 8. I mean, I can write it out as 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but I can leave it as negative 8. Now we want to know how many times louder. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take the I for the rock concert divided by the I for the quiet radio. So that's 1 over 10 to the negative 8. That's a 1. It looks like an I. This should be a 1. So this will give us, dun, 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 dun. If you do that division, you're going to get a 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's actually, there's 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times louder. Okay. So I was just thrown off because the intensity for the rock concert was 1, but it actually works because the quiet radio is so quiet. It's 10 to the negative 8, which is what I used in the equation. And then you just take one and divide it by the other to find out how many times louder.